Mastering the art of eye contact. Unlock the secrets of nonverbal communication. Eye contact is an important aspect of body language that can convey a wide range of emotions and intentions. Eye contact is a form of nonverbal communication in which two people look at each other's eyes to communicate. It is an important part of body language and can convey a range of emotions and intentions. For example, maintaining strong eye contact during a conversation can indicate interest, attentiveness, and confidence. On the other hand, avoiding eye contact or breaking eye contact frequently can signal a lack of confidence, discomfort, or dishonesty. Here is an example of eye contact in body language. Person A and Person B are having a conversation. Person A maintains strong eye contact with Person B, showing that they are engaged and interested in what the other person has to say. Person B responds by also maintaining strong eye contact, indicating that they are also interested in the conversation and want to establish a connection with Person A. In this example, the use of eye contact helps to strengthen the communication and connection between the two people. Here are a few components that eye contact can indicate. 1. Interest or attention. Attention and attraction are two different ways that eye contact can be used in nonverbal communication. Attention refers to the act of focusing one's visual attention on something or someone. For example, if someone is speaking to you and you are maintaining eye contact with them, you are paying attention to them and what they are saying. Attraction refers to the feeling of being drawn to or interested in someone. When it comes to eye contact, maintaining eye contact for longer periods of time or making frequent eye contact can be a sign of attraction. For example, if someone is attracted to you, they may try to catch your eye or hold your gaze longer than usual. Here is an example of attention and attraction in eye contact. Person A is giving a presentation to a group of people. Person B is sitting in the audience and is paying attention to Person A by maintaining eye contact and looking interested in what they are saying. Person C, who is also in the audience, is attracted to Person A and keeps making eye contact with them during the presentation. In this example, Person B is using eye contact to show attention, while Person C is using eye contact to show attraction. During the presentation, Person A may notice Person C making frequent eye contact and may interpret it as a sign of attraction. This could lead to a variety of different outcomes, depending on the context and the intentions of both Person A and Person C. For example, if Person A is also attracted to Person C, they may respond by maintaining eye contact and potentially flirting with them during the presentation. If Person A is not interested in Person C, they may try to avoid eye contact or look away to signal their lack of interest. If Person A is unaware of Person C's attraction or is not sure how to interpret the eye contact, they may simply continue with the presentation without reacting to it. In any case, the use of eye contact can be a powerful tool for communicating attraction, as well as a variety of other emotions and intentions. 2. Trustworthiness. People who make eye contact may be seen as more trustworthy and honest. On the other hand, avoiding eye contact can be interpreted as a sign of dishonesty or evasiveness. Eye contact is a nonverbal way of communicating that can convey trustworthiness. When someone makes eye contact with you, it can signal that they are paying attention to you and are genuine in their communication. For example, if you are having a conversation with someone and they maintain eye contact with you, it can give you the impression that they are being honest and sincere. On the other hand, if someone avoids eye contact or looks away frequently, it can make them appear untrustworthy or insincere. It's important to note, however, that different cultural norms and personal preferences can affect how much eye contact is appropriate or expected in a given situation. 3. Dominance or submission. In some situations, maintaining eye contact can convey dominance or assertiveness, while looking away can convey submission or submissiveness. For flirting, eye contact is an important aspect of flirting, and prolonged eye contact or frequent glances can be a sign of romantic or sexual interest. Flirting is a way of using body language, including eye contact, to show interest in and attraction to someone. When it comes to eye contact, flirting often involves maintaining eye contact for longer periods of time or making frequent eye contact in a playful or suggestive manner. Please subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this. Press the bell icon. Here is an example of flirting through eye contact. Person A and person B are at a party and are attracted to each other. As they talk, Person A makes frequent eye contact with Person B and holds their gaze for longer periods of time than usual. Person B responds by also making eye contact and smiling at Person A. This back and forth eye contact is a form of flirting and is a way for the two people to show their interest in each other. In this example, the use of eye contact is helping to communicate attraction and potentially pave the way for further interactions between Person A and Person B. Flirting through eye contact can be a subtle and effective way to build a connection with someone and potentially move a relationship forward. 5. Deception. People who are lying or trying to hide their true intentions may have a harder time maintaining eye contact, and their eyes may dart around or avoid eye contact altogether. 6. Culture. As with other aspects of body language, the way that people use eye contact can vary significantly between cultures. In some cultures, maintaining eye contact is seen as a sign of respect, while in other cultures it may be seen as rude or aggressive. 7. Context. It is important to consider the context in which eye contact is being made. For example, maintaining eye contact during a job interview may be seen as a sign of confidence and enthusiasm, while maintaining constant eye contact during a casual conversation may be seen as aggressive or threatening. 8. Micro-expressions. Some research suggests that people's eyes can reveal their pretty eye contact through training or practice. This can be helpful in a variety of situations, such as in negotiating, sales, or customer service. Nonverbal leakage. As with other aspects of body language, eye contact can sometimes reveal a person's true feelings or intentions even if they are trying to hide them. This is known as nonverbal leakage, and it can be an important aspect of body language to pay attention to. Nonverbal leakage refers to nonverbal cues that reveal a person's true feelings or intentions, even when they are trying to conceal or mask them. This can include things like facial expressions, body language, and eye contact. When it comes to eye contact, nonverbal leakage can occur when a person's eyes reveal their true emotions or thoughts, even when they are trying to hide them. For example, a person may try to appear confident and engaged in a conversation, but if they are feeling anxious or uncertain, it may show in their eye contact. Here is an example of nonverbal leakage in eye contact. Person A is having a job interview with Person B. Person A is nervous and is trying to appear confident and composed, but their eye contact reveals their anxiety. Person B notices that Person A is avoiding eye contact and is looking around the room, which may be a sign that they are feeling uncertain or unprepared. In this example, Person A's eye contact is leaking their true feelings of anxiety, even though they are trying to hide it. Nonverbal leakage can be a subtle, but powerful way to communicate emotions and intentions. Conclusion. Eye contact is an important aspect of body language that can convey a range of emotions and intentions. In general, maintaining eye contact can signal trustworthiness, attentiveness, and sincerity, while avoiding eye contact can signal a lack of trustworthiness or disinterest. However, it's important to consider cultural and individual differences in how eye contact is used and interpreted. It's also worth noting that eye contact is just one aspect of nonverbal communication, and it's important to consider other body language cues, such as posture, facial expressions, and gestures, to get a full picture of someone's intentions and emotions.